Let's go to earlobe repair. I'm giving anesthesia, lignocaine with heparin at the bottom and at the top. Slowly in the middle also. 1.5 inch 26 number brown needle can also be used to give anesthesia while withdrawing it. This instrument is called bulldog clamp. It reduces the bleeding or also provides support and proper tissue to cut in. Cutting off the edges on the other side. Remove everything properly so that no epidermis is left behind. Cauterize the bleeders so that the field of vision is free of blood. Now check it properly and further refine the edges at the front and at the back. So that during apposition they are properly aligned and no epidermis is present in between. Undermining of edges for proper approximation. Let's start now suturing. This is Ethylon 60 reverse cutting suture. We are taking vertical mattress. This is the far bite. Now the near ones. Always take one bite at a time. Forward roll. One backward roll. Nice square knot. Few extra knots to secure it. Extra threads. Similarly, taking another suture. Here also again vertical mattress. Vertical mattress is preferred here because it sutures tissue in 2 layers. Sometime at the end, we can also take one simple suture to have a nice closure. Suturing front area is complete. Let's suture at the back. Here we will do running continuous suture. For that, first we are taking a simple interrupted suture. Now to start with, we will take a wire from just beneath the suture and we will go oblique beneath the surface of the skin, going oblique beneath the skin will give the parallel sutures on the top of the skin. Going oblique, always try to take one bite at a time. Don't be restless or don't be in a hurry. Putting the suture and adjusting the approximation. Whenever we do the final bite, we keep a loop of thread left behind. This loop of thread acts as a shorthand of the suture and we tie the knot considering the loop as a shorthand.